So we started with this concept in late 2018, 2019, and that's a time when also BigchainDB came in, and we were closely monitoring them. The point is, there are, as you have mentioned before, there are a lot of obstacles. It's not so easy. It's a fundamental holy grail of the whole decentralization space. But to solve that, there are a lot of points which needed to be tackled one by one. And one of the biggest part was you cannot make a decentralized database framework without having a blockchain which actually sustains the requirements of the data. You know, the query rate where you can pull the data, you can update it, you can send it back. You have to use the data which is on RAM. So there are a lot of ways how every enterprise has its own requirement. How do they use data? And that's a part where BigchainDB was a very good project, had amazing partners, was backed by MongoDB, which is one of the biggest non-sequence-based database. They use a Tendermint blockchain. The issue was not any existing blockchain which is in the market now. A lot of people say, why you guys need to have a blockchain? I mean, there is a Filecoin, there is Arweave, there is Cosmos, there is Polkadot, there is Solana, there is everyone. And said, yeah, every one of them has its own vision, and they are solving or adding some fundamental value to the ecosystem. Whereas ours is only the data management. So what happened with the BigchainDB is they actually miscalculated the requirement of a blockchain, which can actually fundamentally support the requirements of data management. So they wanted to make the DB on the top of Tendermint protocol, but the Tendermint blockchain was not able to sustain those requirements. So they quit the project. And that's the time when we did extensive research. We looked in all the existing file storage blockchains or IPFS system. And we came up with the thing that we need to create something new, which is not an interplanetary file storage system. We need to have something which is completely decentralized. So in IPFS system, actually, your files are stored in a centralized server, and then they are hashed through the blockchain. We said, no, we want to have 100% decentralization of that. So for that, we needed to build a layer 0 blockchain from the scratch, which actually supports the whole data management part. So laying that foundation, once the mainnet is live, it will be a public blockchain, so anybody can come on the ecosystem and develop something else, which we hope or we think that the tech world or all the programmers in the world who are amazing brains, they will come to the ecosystem and build something which is even much more better